So here we are yet again, constantly in pursuit of watercolour perfection, kind of. So yeah, once again I'm going to dabble in the old watercolour paints because I'm finding using them quite relaxing and very, very enjoyable. So I will today be following a tutorial that I found online that is painting the Northern Lights. Now this is something that I've seen a lot of people do and it looks so cool. So I thought I'd give it a go myself. So without further ado, have a watch, see what you reckon, and I will see you guys in just a short while. And there they are. That, in my eyes, is a step up from where I was a couple of weeks back. That is the effect that I was looking for when I was doing previous paintings and I didn't really know what I was doing. So this is a real step up. So it does go to show that by following these tutorials and trying, your skills can grow and you can produce something that is a step up from where you were previously. Now obviously I do have a long way to go, but my God, that is such a difference. Right from that to the early doors of, oh crikey, something like this, which isn't quite up to that standard. But you know, there are many more to come and loving doing this, really loving it. So if you liked it, please leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe, hit the notification button just so that you can get any future content that I produce. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. See you real soon. Oh, and as an afterthought, check me out on GL Sketches on Instagram, because, you know, I do other little bits and pieces and just put them up there. So get on over and follow me there. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.